Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is day 18. It is 8:30 p.m. So I'm doing this video very late. I'm actually in my bedroom, lying down. I'm ready to go to sleep myself. I had a very somewhat busy day. I went out to get gift bags for the presents that I have to wrap tomorrow. It's all the gifts that I bought yesterday. I also bought 2 more boxes of chocolates to give to Maya's instructors for her gymnastics and her dance instructors. And that's about it. Little Missy is asleep in her bed. Yeah. So I'm going to chill out and use Maya's iPad. I watch Netflix on it. I'm almost finished watching the series This Is Us. So it's a very good emotional series. I really enjoyed watching every episode. So that's what I did today. What else did I do? Yesterday I did 2 loads of laundry, and just today I folded all the laundry. So that was a big thing to do. I hate doing laundry. But you have to do it. My husband is coming home, so he's on his way now. He's just in Calgary, so he's got a while to get home now. He's got to get to Toronto. So that's exciting. I don't look excited, but I am. Tomorrow, Bosco's getting his nails cut. We have a doctor's appointment, so it's not too exciting. Bosco is actually in bed too, if you want to see him. You can hear him in the background snoring. Hang on. So he sleeps there pretty much all night. Sometimes he goes out and does a pee, and then he goes and sleeps on the couch or a chair out in the living room. But that's his bed. So, can you imagine? It was my husband and Bosco and Dozer before snoring. It sometimes sounded like an orchestra, and I'm a very light sleeper, so oh my god, sometimes I would actually go in the spare room because of the volume of all 3 of them. So anyways, like I said, it's very late, so I'm gonna cut this video short, and I will see you all guys tomorrow. Take care, guys.